Are you coming soon to me?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review on this bomb unit. This is the Outre melted hairline, and this is in Aries. I have her in 1B. So yeah, if you guys want to hear tea on this, then stay tuned. But before you go, you already know why, because I say this in every video. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video, show your girls some love, and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I ordered this unit from WigTypes. This is the second unit that I have purchased from the Outre melted hairline. If you guys have not seen my review on Divine, I'll make sure to put a card up here, or I'll put in the description box below. So this unit is, first of all, the curls and everything is pretty. It reminds me of like the wand curls. It is long. I'm gonna show you guys how long it is. So it's pretty long. It comes down a good little bit. I'm 5'7". Yeah, so it has the pre-plucked hairline. I like the parting, and I really like that it curves around rather than like a straight one. And then the bang area, it's really nice as well too. It kind of just gives like that little swoop. I did need to kind of make it a little up higher. I do like mine to be, there we go. I like for mine to look like that. Now, this is not an everyday wig. It's not an everyday wig at all. I would pretty much rock this if I'm going out like on the weekends or something like that. But yeah. Okay, so what I did not like, or I can work on it, but I will say sis tangles. Like, I cannot run my fingers through it. So you definitely will need to have your brush on hand if you're wearing her out, or if you are gonna wear her out, the best thing for you to do is just pop her on and don't even bother it. So because if you do, I mean, it's not gonna come through. It's not. Or you may want to have like some wrap lotion, like some foam lotion on hand. I mean, which no one really wants to carry that in their purse when they're going out. But if anything, definitely keep your brush on hand to be able to comb it out. Other than that, this wig is really, really pretty. I really like this. I was hoping on this side that it would be like a little swoop action going on too to kind of match here, but it's okay. I still really like it, and I still will definitely rock this unit. Out of 10, I give this a strong 8 because this unit is very pretty. It's very long. Like I said, my only drawback from it is that it tangles. But with this being a synthetic long unit, that's expected for it to tangle, and it has curls. So, I mean, I can give it a pass on that. You know what I mean? But for the most part, I really like this unit. Outre did that. I was excited to try this out because I was like, okay, I have kind of a medium length. I want to try maybe a longer length to see how I like. And like, I'm so here for the melted hairline. I definitely cannot wait to rock this out. So, all right guys, so that's my final thoughts on this unit. I will make sure to leave all the information down below. Make sure you guys check that out. Check out WigTypes. Everything, if you have any questions, leave that down below. I'll make sure I answer those questions as well. And until next time, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.